Ooh. Oh, oh, Boo! She almost fell off. Oh, uh-oh. I don't know if Boo will make it. Oh, she had to duck. Boo had to duck. Whoa! Did you hear that? Did you hear that sound? What was that? Oh my gosh. El Toro Loco, what are you doing here? Wait, stop. El Toro Loco, whoa! El Toro Loco, no! Oh, the track fell. Oh my gosh, the whole track fell over. What?
I can go and take on a total ducks. We have a train.
You have a train?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, you might need some help.
With the help?
Here he goes.
Need the help again?
Yep, he might need some help again. He's a struggling train.
See the thing in the train?
Ooh, wow, past the fire.
This is Papa. This is Papa pipe.
Here he's coming down.
I know.
Oh, help him.
Okay.
There we go.
Wow! My pretty cars.
Yep. Look at that.
The turtle comes. Let's set the turtle off.
You gonna shut the choo-choo off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it have anything?
Let's show everybody what we have. Wow, look at all of these cars. Wow.
For the fire?
Look, over here we have a car wash.
Ham.
Ham is on the roof. Look at that. Yep, and look, these are all color changers because they change colors in the car wash. Look at all these minis.
A baby car.
Yeah, they're little baby cars.
Yes.
And look at all these. Ramones.
Bug cars.
Yep. These are all like the race cars.
Then no to the car.
Yeah, that car, look at the spiky horns on it.
No for the car bus.
Yep, not for the car wash. And look at over here, we have all of the street racers. We have
Sheriff, Tomato.
Sheriff and Tomater. Look, who's over here?
So, Sally Jack.
Yep, Flo, Sally, Doc, Lightning McQueen, Tomater, Fillmore. Who else do you see?
Sally.
You see Sally, yep. Who's over there, Lorenzo?
The Horn Tack.
Yeah, that's a Jackson Storm truck, and that's Jackson Storm. And look, there's like a fire station over there. But Lorenzo, this Wingo and this Sheriff, they look kind of beat up. Why don't we open up? Why don't we open up another Wingo and another Sheriff? Let's just open a new Sheriff and a new Wingo since this one is missing his wing. You're gonna open Sheriff?
Yes.
Okay, let me see you open it.
Me about this.
Ooh. Wow. Show them. What is that?
Shower. A little shower.
Nice. And look, he's nice and clean. He doesn't have any... Look at this one. It's missing some paint and stuff. Wow. Look at that Wingo. So look at the old one. Look, that's the difference between the old one and the new one. The new one looks like a lighter green. Look at that. The old one's darker. New Sheriff and then the old Sheriff. So here goes the train up the other way. Oh, stuck again. Yeah. Nice. Oh, he needs a little bit more of a push. A little bit more of a push. Nice. All right, we should put Boo on the train now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Boo. She almost fell off. Oh, uh-oh. I don't know if Boo will make it. Oh, she had to duck. Boo had to duck. Whoa. He's struggling a little bit around the corner. Oh.
Oh, no, Rex fell off.
Rex fell off. Rex might be a little bit too big. Mm-hmm.
No, Daddy.
All right, here he comes. He's going down that way again.
Papa then. Oh no. Bob up here.
Mike Wazowski?
Yes.
I want to be the new cop car. I'm gonna be the cop of the city, and you just play, and I'm gonna be the cop, and if I have to pull you over, then I have to pull you over, okay? Hey, pull over, stop right there. Wingo, what are you doing, Wingo? You can't drive on the tracks. Wingo, you can't drive on the tracks, Wingo. No, this is only for trains, Wingo. Wingo, if you don't stop, I'm gonna have to impound your car. What? Wee-woo, get back here. Stop right there. Wingo, stop. Wingo. I'm gonna have to call in backup. Now we got 2 cop cars. Wingo, you're gonna have to, the train is running over Wingo. The train is running over Wingo, what? Wingo.
I can tap apple.
The train flipped over, now what? We're gonna need a tow truck, that's right.
Okay.
Oh, tomatoes coming. Do we have any? We might need another tomato since it's a big train. We might need 2 tomatoes. Do we have another one?
A blue tomato.
Yeah, we have a blue tomato. Let's go. Look, we have another tomato if needed. And another one. That's 4 tomatoes.
We have your train.
You're gonna help the train?
Yes.
How are you gonna help the train?
My hook.
Okay, you're gonna get them with your hook.
Oh,
Nice.
no. Mommy too. Turn the hook. Oh, my nose up this. Turn up.
You gotta get them with the hook.
Is that my hook?
Mm-hmm.
That's my hook?
Yeah, you gotta get them with the hook.
Put Cody up.
Okay, the train's picking Corey up?
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, I don't think Corey fits in there. Look, we can put... Yep, we can put Donnie Suarez. We can put Mater.
Put BB Mater.
You got Lightning McQueen.
The BB racing.
Yeah, look, there we go. Put these guys in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put Lightning McQueen in the front.
Watching BB Cruz Ramirez here.
Baby Cruz Ramirez right there.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Nice. All right, they might not be able to like fully sit down, but that's okay. Here we go. The train is departing. Here comes the train. Oh, mini cars fell over. Let's put them back up. There you go.
Now put it back. No. Now Daddy. And rub this. Come on, I told Daddy. I put it in my because it is no.
Yep.
The back of this side.
Mm-hmm. How many do you think we could fit in there?
To the button.
That's 1.
The 2.
That's 2.
The 4.
3.
3.
Mm-hmm.
5.
That's 4.
The 4.
Mm-hmm.
The 5.
That is 5, yep.
Hello. Come on now for the dog.
He could fit, I think. If we do it like this. Here, put him. Try to slide him in there. Yeah.
Come on, cars.
Oh, Ramon fell out.
Come on, car out.
Let's see how many cars we could fit in here.
Okay.
1.
1. No, no.
That's 1 car.
The 2 car.
2 cars.
No more cars.
You don't think any more cars could fit in there?
There's more cars. No more cars.
Oh, they fell out.
Mommy, put this car back. I put no more cars. I put no more cars.
No more cars in that one.
No more cars.
All closed up?
Autos up.
Nice.
Mac comes.
You need another truck, and here Mac comes. Here comes Mac.
Boop. Baby McQueen for the Mac.
Baby McQueen fits in Mac?
Yes.
How many Baby McQueens do you think fit in Mac?
Mac not opens.
Mac opens. There you go.
Yeah, fit two.
It looks like you could fit a lot of Lightning McQueens in that.
No, we had
Just
a baby.
one?
Just one.
Okay.
I put Mac over here. One more time, Daddy. One more time.
Try to put the we're gonna try to put the camera on the train, so
Put the timer on the thing.
and we're gonna take you guys around.
I can turn the camera down. Turn the camera down. Oh no, Daddy. There's nothing over here.
There's a stop sign over there. They're riding around on the train. Let's see if they make it. Here goes the train.
A fireplace.
Yep, going right past the fireplace. It's getting a little stuck, the train.
Yes.
He needs some help. Help him, Lorenzo.
Okay.
Lorenzo's helping guide the train past the fireplace,
Put the rocks.
past the rocks,
My hot knob.
down the bridge.
My ass.
Uh-oh.
Bubble.
The train flipped over.
Wheels.
Oh, gosh.
Wheels down.
And his wheels are still going.
Uh-huh. Let's have wheels out. I put the back down. Miss Hubble, you are the one.
Hey, did you hear that? Did you hear that sound? What was that? Oh my gosh. El Toro Loco, what are you doing here? Wait, stop. El Toro Loco, whoa. El Toro Loco. Oh my gosh, El Toro Loco, relax. Easy, El Toro Loco. Whoa. Everybody run. Ah, El Toro Loco. Ah, everybody run.
Tobacco first.
Okay, go El Toro Loco, go. Whoa, El Toro Loco, he's running over all of the Pixar cars. What's the problem? What's the matter? Oh, he's running over the forest. El Toro Loco. Oh, he's running over stuff. Whoa, he's running into Flo's Cafe. Oh, the track. No, the track. The track broke. No. Oh, the track fell. Oh my gosh, the whole track fell over. What? El Toro Loco. He's eating you. He's eating